Namaste everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us see how to simulate common emitter amplifier and its output on oscilloscope. We will also see the frequency response of it. First, place all the components required for it and then you can connect. So for this, click on place and then component. So select the component which you require. So for this we require BC107 BP transistor. So place it on the breadboard and then select all the resistors required to this circuit by selecting basic and then select resistor. Here you can search whatever the resistor you require for this circuit. So place all the circuits required to the CE amplifier. So these are the resistors. Now place capacitors by clicking on the capacitors in the same section of basic and click on OK, drag it and place it on the breadboard. For the input source, select source and then you can select AC source. So this is the input of the CE amplifier where we give the voltage and the frequency. And oscilloscope, that is 2-channel oscilloscope to see the input and the output. Now connect the components using a wire. Please don't skip the video, follow the video very carefully so that your connections will be correct and you will get the output. If the video is informative, please hit the like button and comment the like number and also comment the location where you are watching. Soon I am going to upload a document in my website, and you can have aim, apparatus, circuit, output, DC, AC sweep values, all those things, and I will drop all those links in the description and the comment box also. So for the input I am giving 10 millivolts. You can also give 0.01 millivolt or 0.1 millivolt, whatever you can, and 1 kilohertz frequency. Now run it. So blue color represents the output, red color represents the input. You can just change the color by clicking on the wire, and then you can change it. So as you can see, as it is a amplifier, CE amplifier, common emitter amplifier, the output is greater than the input. So we have given the 10 millivolts input, but we got more than that. So that's the definition of the amplifier, which amplifies the given input or which strengthens the given input. So here you can see the red color represents the input and the blue color represents the output. Just you have to manage that scale, class A and the class B readings, so that by adjusting the class A and the class B and also scale of the time period, you can get the required output in the oscilloscope. To see the frequency response of the CE amplifier, click on Simulate and then click on Analyze and Simulation, AC Sweep. So I am taking the values from 1 Hz to 10 GHz, and the voltage at the output, nothing but the wire which you have connected at the output of the oscilloscope. Just click on it, there you can get a number. So take that voltage of that number. So this is the output. Here you can see increase, constant, and then decrease. You can also customize this frequency response by giving the title as frequency response of the CE amplifier and frequency in the gain you got or the magnitude. So this is the frequency response of the CE amplifier. To get the Excel values, Excel sheet values, click on Tools, Export to Excel. So here an Excel sheet will appear at the bottom of the laptop. So click on it, just maximize it. So here you can find the frequency and the gain of it. Take some of the values out of this, like start from 100 Hz up to 1000 Hz, increase it with 100, and then from 1000 you can go with 2000, 4000 like that, and then you can go with 10,000, 20,000, so that you can minimize or you can take less values from all these observations. If you face any problem in simulating the circuit, please to comment. I will definitely read and answer. Thanks for watching.